guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna teach you about JavaScript array methods. So suppose you have an array like this arr which is 1 2 3 4. So if I want to iterate each element in it, so what I can do, arr.map. So it's a function given by JavaScript. So it's receive a function, you can call it a callback function. So what it receives, item comma index, and in it you run the callback function. So suppose I want to do console.log of item comma index. So if I run it, so now you can see the output. So yes, so now you can perform some like operation on it, like you by calling an API or doing something else. So let's get back to new method, which is like for each. So it is a similar method like map, but for a specific case, like it's map out the whole thing. So like if I am having an array like array 2, like 2 4 6, like 2 4 5, you can say. So what I'm gonna do, arr.for each, it is a keyword. So same parameters is it is receiving. So like what I can do, console.log, okay, then item comma index. So just guess the output, like what difference it will be having on it. Let me just correct the syntax for you. So like you got the point, so don't confuse with that. Like let me comment out that. So if I run it again, so you can see that. So now I am going for another JavaScript method which is like filter. So like let's me get some space for that. So like filter method, it is used to filter some elements based on some condition you say. So like I'm gonna give you example for that. Suppose we have an array 3 that is containing 2 3 4 5 and 6. So if you want to like extract the elements that are even, so like what we can do, const answer. So like yeah, like pay attention to it. So like arr3 dot filter. So again it will receive a callback, like parameters in the callback. So I can put the condition like num modulo 2 is equal to 0. So by that condition it will filter out the elements. So let me print that out for you. Let's see the output, 246. So it has like what it has done, it has just split it out the odd elements and given us the even elements. So like one more method is remaining, like that is we call reduce. So it's a method to convert a big array into single variable. So reduce in JavaScript. So I am giving you an example of this. Like let's say we have an array called num that is defined like 1 2 3. So like let's take a simple example. So now I want to like have some value in it. So like num dot, what we do, reduce. Okay, so it will receive a callback like a kilometer comma index, let's say item I will say. So kilometer plus item. So like its default value. So what happens, just give me the time to print out that, and then I will explain in detail what is going on. So just run that and it will give. So what is having, identify answer as old. Okay, got it. Like answer ans, I can do that. Like I have to also change here. So now, so 1 2 plus 3, so 6 it has given me. So like I am gonna explain you how it is happening. So we have an array, let's say num. So what is going, it is going at like it is going at every index and doing the sum. So I am going to show you the dry run of, dry run of it. Dry run. So for the first index, its kilometer value is equal to 0. Item is equal to 1. So in the first iteration, result equal to 1. In the second iteration, the resultant becomes 1 and the accumulator reaches to 2. So like 1 plus 2, that is gonna be 3. In the next iteration, it reaches 3 plus 3, that is gonna be 6. So it's gonna happen like that. And also the default value is here. So I hope it makes sense to you, like default value. So I think you got like the topic which I am explaining. So thank you very much for watching the video. We will see you in another video.